Hello, my name is Alan Manning. I'm an engineer on the content management team. And over the next couple of minutes, we're going to talk about and take a look at Invigilo, which is the Aspera Connect or accelerated upload monitoring tool. This is the first of a few stories, and the requirement was really created a few weeks ago because in production there was a problem with the Aspera Connect server, which caused all accelerated uploads to fail. And when this problem was occurring, there were no notifications being sent via Nagios or no monitoring really to alert people that I think in this particular case there was a problem with the license on the Aspera Connect server. So after that, we've been working on putting together some monitoring. So if there's any problems with accelerated upload in the future, people will be notified straight away. Um, so this first story is focused on creating a test that will basically contain a single web page that once opens runs the test to connect and upload via Aspera Connect. And then that is validated that the upload actually went through. Not that the video went all the way to the point of completion, being fully transcoded, but rather that the handoff to the transcoded system had occurred. Um, and uh, and later on, we'll have some follow-up stories, which will be focused on one story that we're working on right now is building a JUnit framework to report the results of this test that we created to Nagios and also its overall performance to Graphite. And then a follow-on story where we will create a more of a generalized framework that can be used to deploy these tests in the colo, and that other teams who have similar tests will be able to hook into this generic framework and write their own production monitoring tests as well. So let me give you a very quick demo of Invigilo, the Aspera Connect monitoring tool. So basically, it's a self-executing web page. So I'm just going to drop this in there. And there's a bunch of parameters that you can specify. Right now, it's uploading a 60-second test FLV. This is just following the exact same flow that would be in the media module. It's being uploaded via the Aspera Connect plugin in the browser. Unfortunately, we have to actually use a browser to really run this test fully. Now that it's been uploaded, the application checks for the status of the video. When it's completed, it's been reported as a success, and then it's able to define the duration. If there's a timeout that you can set for the configuration of this test, and if after a certain amount of time, if it hasn't been reported as completed, it will fail. For follow-on stories, we'll take this test here and then integrate it into JUnit framework and report back success and failures via Nagios and Graphite. And then after that, for the final step, we'll deploy it in production using the generic framework I described before. If you are interested in what this framework would look like or would like to hear more about it, please feel free to contact the content management team. We're in the process right now of grooming what framework we're going to use for tests like this. That was Invigilo. Thank you very much for listening.